Welcome to my video. Top 5 Best Professional Multimeter in 2024. Hi guys. Are you looking for the best professional multimeter? If you received a new professional multimeter, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best professional multimeters on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. For both electrical experts and do-it-yourselfers, the Unity UT61 series provides accuracy and dependability in a small package. With its True RMS measuring capability and auto-ranging functionality, this intelligent digital multimeter can easily accommodate a wide range of electrical characteristics. It monitors AC/DC voltage, up to 1000 V, current, resistance, capacitance, and inductance with accuracy across a wide range and a display count of 6000. It is made to work at temperatures between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius, thus it guarantees reliable performance in any circumstances. With a vivid 2.8-inch HD color screen, the ZT702S integrates the capabilities of a digital oscilloscope and multimeter into a single, small instrument. It is capable of precisely capturing waveforms and measuring AC/DC voltage, up to 750 V, current, up to 10 A, resistance, and capacitance with a real-time sampling rate of 48 MSA/s. It is appropriate for a range of electrical applications because to its intuitive interface, which provides both auto and manual mode. With a 48 MSA/s sampling rate, the ZT702S digital oscilloscope multimeter is a dual-channel real-time sampling signal generator. It has a 2.8-inch HD color display, True RMS, and a broad voltage, resistance, and capacitance measurement range. It has dual auto and manual modes, low battery warning, data hold, and auto power-off for economical usage. It is certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS. It works in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 10,000 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for do-it-yourself electrical installati. For electricians, the Psyd ZT702S is a portable oscilloscope and professional digital multimeter. It has a 10 MHz bandwidth, a digital display with a count of 9999, and True RMS. It's perfect for a variety of electrical chores because it can measure voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance in both auto and manual modes. This dependable instrument, certified by the CE, FCC, and RoHS, functions between 0 and 50 degrees Celsius and is suitable for both home and business usage. With 19999 counts and Bluetooth connectivity, the ZOYI ZT5566SE is a professional desktop voice multimeter that is intended for accurate electrical readings. It has a broad range for measuring voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance in addition to True RMS, auto/manual mode, and these characteristics. It's ideal for data tracking and intelligent monitoring as it has a Bluetooth version 5.0 app link. This flexible multimeter, which is CE certified, functions in the 0 to 40 degrees Celsius range, making Its sturdy, user-friendly interface and RoHS compliance add to its attractiveness, and its long-lasting build guarantees longevity. With the Uni-T UT61 series, your reliable companion for accurate electrical measurements, you can improve your testing experience.